Hey guys, really quick, we are gonna do a cash envelope stuffing. We're actually gonna be stuffing $871. I am having to re-record this video, so I will not be showing you the budget sheets because this video is re-recorded and they have already been written on. And I thought my audio was working on the first recording and it wasn't, so we're doing it again. All right, so really quick, because I don't want this video to be long. Groceries, we're gonna stuff $140 for groceries. So we're putting $140 in for our groceries. Let's do this as quickly as possible. Work lunch, we're doing $30. So we're gonna put that in right now. Where is my lunch slot? Okay, found it. And eating out is $50. So we're gonna do eating out. All right, that's dining out. And then we're gonna do gas. So that's $80. Let's count it. 2, 4, 6, 8. $80 for gas. All right. And then let's go. My personal spending money is going to be $60. So that's going to be 2, 4, 6, $60. And we're going to put that in my wallet. So I have 2 envelope systems. The one that I carry on me every day. The one that I leave at the house. Don't try to be slick neither, because I also keep a friendly reminder that I'm not to be tried with me at all times. Just want to put that out there. My husband, $50. All right. My nails, $25. And this is low because I only go once a month or every 2 months. I don't have to go every 2 weeks or all the time. So hair, $40. All right, we got this hair taken care of. Let's take care of that. Household. So let's see. That's $90. We need $90. I'm just going to take this other 100 and do that for household. And if I need something for one of these categories in my wallet, I'll apply this 10. Seasonal. Seasonal is 20. So we're going to put this last 20 in there. Miscellaneous, we're going to take this $15 and, well, yeah, we're going to take this 15 because that's what we have left and put it in there. Let's see. And then family, we're going to take this 15 and put it. This is like if my son needs some socks or something, because he's not working right now. He is in the process of trying to find a job. So if anybody's hiring, let me know. Date night. Date night is $40, but we're going to go ahead and give them $50 for date night. Just because sometimes you got to work with what you got. Gifts is $25, but we don't have that. So we're going to skip gifts for right now and we'll come back and revisit that. Car maintenance. Car maintenance, we're going to do $50. Medical, we're going to do $50 as well. Because you got to make sure you help the child. Emergency fund, we're not going to add anything to the emergency fund because that's already been taken care of. So we're going to put $50 for travel. And we're not going to do we're going to do the debt 50. And for my subscriptions, we're going to put this $6 in there. So yeah, we have stuffed these. The only thing we did not stuff is the emergency fund. And if I'm not mistaken, did we stuff gifts? Oh, and we didn't stuff gifts. Everything else besides the personal miscellaneous and the gifts and the emergency fund was stuffed. So I'm really proud of that. We're going to work off of that and call it a day. Like I said, I will next time make sure that the emergency fund is exact and is doing what it's supposed to do. So until next time, I will see you guys in the next cash envelope video. Hopefully better than this one. I really should have checked my denominations before I left the bank, and I did not do that, and I dropped the ball, so I wasn't able to stuff all of my envelopes, but I am proud of the ones that I did stuff. So remember to think smart, spend smarter, and have fun planning it all out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.